Is your iPhone not showing the none option in payment method? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device first. Click on your Apple ID and go to Media and Purchases. Click on View Account. Enter your Apple ID password or your Face ID. Click on the Country or Region option. Now click on Change Country or Region. Search for your country and change your country or region. You will be led to the Terms and Condition page. Click on Agree and then on Agree again. You can see I now have None option under Payment Method now. Under Billing Address, enter your street, city, state, zip, and phone number and click on Next. Your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.